How to sync iCloud Drive with your Mac. First, click the Apple logo on the top left of your screen and select System Settings or System Preferences. This depends on your macOS version. Then, click on your Apple ID at the top of the sidebar. Under your Apple ID menu, select iCloud. Scroll down and make sure iCloud Drive is toggled on. A pop-up may appear asking if you want to enable desktop and document syncing. Select yes if you want files from those folders to sync automatically. Click on iCloud Drive options to manage which apps and folders sync with iCloud. Apps like Pages, Numbers, and Preview usually sync by default, but you can check or uncheck what you need. Now, open Finder. On the left sidebar, click iCloud Drive. Here, you'll see all sync files and folder. Anything you drop here will be uploaded to iCloud and available on your iPhone, iPad, or other Macs log in to the same Apple ID. Files that are syncing with show a small loading icon. Once synced, you'll see a small cloud or download symbol depending on whether it's stored locally or only in the cloud. If you're running low on space, you can enable optimized Mac storage in iCloud settings. This keeps recent files local and stores the rest in the cloud. And that's it.